Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If necessary, you can put it on stop. You can study all the indicators of the company in question carefully. We will analyze the current fundamental indicators of the company with you. JAZZ Pharmaceuticals, ticker JAZZ. The review was created using current information as of July 3, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company JAZZ Pharmaceuticals PLC belongs to the subcategory Pharma Neurology. 20 companies are taking part in the assessment. We will see the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is 7 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 0.4 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the stock market as a whole, note that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 7-point rating for the company JAZZ Pharmaceuticals. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares JAZZ Pharmaceuticals PLC and subcategory companies, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares JAZZ Pharmaceuticals showed a change of 3%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 47.7%. Market capitalization of the company JAZZ Pharmaceuticals PLC amounts to $6.65 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $24 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $4.17 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $7 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share JAZZ Pharmaceuticals in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 27.448%. The book value is 56.367%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $5.424 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 130% of the company's capital. The result of the company's financial obligations, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 13.8. Average for subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market price-to-profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $482 million. The projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,304 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 1.6. Average for subcategory 4. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio compared to the subcategory indicators, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $4,070. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $6,630 million. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 11.9%, with the average for the subcategory being minus 17%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 50.221%, which is 83% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $2,375,000. And for the subcategory, $4,346,000. An assessment of the company's market capital per employee compared to the subcategory indicators. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is $172,200, with an average in the subcategory of minus $184,900. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,452,000. In the subcategory, $1,091,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions is 10.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 12.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 53% for the company JAZZ Pharmaceuticals. In the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 52%. The company's current stock valuation is around $110. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $183. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities, JAZZ Pharmaceuticals PLC. Stock valuation reference System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy trade at $109.92. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation. The organization's assessment is made using the evaluation criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 131.36. Stop loss is set at 88.48. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order will be closed automatically at the end of trading on August 2nd, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, CNTA, is a balance sheet transaction for sale. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the second order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you very much to the public for watching this video and for using the information and reference System.GURU.Markets.